Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh, and today we're gonna learn like three sentences. Basically, it's the same, it's only one sentence, and it could be used in three ways, and it has three different meanings. So, yeah, if you're a female, you could use this sentence, or maybe this sentence also could be used by a female. But this is not the case for guy. I'll also tell you why is that. So before I start the lesson, I want to let you know that I also made an Instagram where I also post a Punjabi stuff. Basically, what I do there, I explain short videos. Lot of people makes a reel as a funny video, or they just make the short video having a conversation which is so informal. So what I do, I just pick up a video and then just I explain it. And yeah, that's pretty good for your understanding if you want to learn kind of street talk or like a how people talk in real life. So that kind of Punjabi which doesn't exist in the books, right? If you want to learn those kind of Punjabi, then make sure you check out my Instagram. I'll put link is in the description. And if you want more stuff, you can also check out my Facebook page where I put more videos about Punjabi when I'm speaking Punjabi. And of course, YouTube is also there. Or even you want more Punjabi stuff from me, then you can check out my Patreon. Even you wanna take private lessons from me, just go on Patreon and select your plan. Or you can also contact me if you don't use Patreon, whatever you want to take private lessons from me. You can just email me. All right, so all the links are in the description. Now let's kick this thing off. So basically, the sentence which is used three different ways is मैं कार चलाउनी है, all right, or मैं गड्डी चलाउनी है, all right. You can use whatever you like. So if this sentence is used by a female, it depends on the situation, what kind of situation it is, right? So it could have three different meanings, which I'm gonna explain right now. For example, you and your girl going out, you guys are about to sit in the car, and then she said, मैं कार चलाउनी है, मैं कार चलाउनी है. Now, in this case, it means I wanna drive a car, right? I wanna drive a car. That's what it means. Or another case, maybe you call your friend and she is a girl, and you ask like, "What you doing?" Maybe she is driving. Then she can say, "मैं कार चलाउनी है." All right. Now it means I'm driving. Another case, maybe you met a girl and you ask her like, "What you do for work?" Right? What do you do for work? And if she does a truck driving, maybe she drive a she drives a taxi or Uber, whatever. She could say like, "मैं गड्डी चलाउनी है," right? Or "मैं कार चलाउनी है." Now it means like she just explain like her work she does it regularly, or she just explain her occupation. All right. So now the sentence is same, but on the different situation it is used differently. That's why you need to learn informal Punjabi, because it's not all the time one sentence could only one meaning. It could different meanings like this one. Again, for a guy, it's gonna be a little different, which I'm gonna explain. Now, in first example, for example, you and your guy or your boyfriend, whatever, you're about to go out and you are just about to sit in the car, and he would say, मैं कार चलाउनी है, right? So sentence is same. Even he is a masculine. He didn't say like a मैं कार चलाउना, but he said मैं कार चलाउनी है because it means like I want to drive a car. But here, why he said that? Because now the thing which is focused, that's the car, not he, not she. It doesn't matter you are male or female, but here we are focusing on the object which is a car, and car is feminine word, so that's why it's gonna be a ਚਲਾਉਣੀ ਆ, ਮੈਂ ਕਾਰ ਚਲਾਉਣੀ ਆ. Even you're a girl, even you're a guy, that's how would you say, ਮੈਂ ਕਾਰ ਚਲਾਉਣੀ ਆ. Right? Even in this situation, people can also use another sentence like मैं कार चलाऊंगा. All right, if you're a girl, you say मैं कार चलाऊंगी, which means kind of I'll drive the car, right? So yeah, people use all kind of whatever in their mind. But if we're gonna talk about only this type of sentence, when people say मैं कार चलाऊनी है, right? So it doesn't matter you're a guy or girl, because we are focusing on the car. That's why car is feminine word. If it's gonna be a motorcycle, then it's going to be like a मैं motorcycle चलाना. It doesn't matter you're a girl or guy. That's how would you say मैं motorcycle चलाना. I want to ride a motorcycle. All right. So now another case, maybe you call a guy and you ask her, "Hey, what you doing?" And he is driving a car. Now he would say it a little differently. He would say मैं car चलाना, right? मैं कार चलाना. Now he is focusing on himself, right? The main center in the sense is मैं, the pronoun मैं. So you are doing the activity, right? The word मैं is doing the activity. So he will say मैं कार चलाना, right? Now the sentence is different. Like if you would be a female, then you will say मैं कार चलानी है, right? Now things have changed. If you're a girl, if you're a guy, the verb sounds a little different according to the main subject. All right, मैं कार चलानी है or मैं कार चलाना for guy, मैं कार चलानी है for girl, right? Which means I'm driving car in the situation. All right. So another case. So if you met a guy and you asked him like, "Hey, what you do for living or what you do for work?" and he said मैं कार चलाना, all right, it could mean like maybe he drives a taxi, maybe he drives a Uber, all right, or he could say मैं गड्डी चलाना, right? The gaddi could be a car, gaddi could be a truck as well. Now again, the sentence is going to be different if you're a girl or if you're a guy. मैं गड्डी चलाना, which means I do truck driving if he is a truck driver, or if he said मैं गड्डी चलाना, maybe he could be a Uber driver, he could say. So now he is describing an activity he does at regular basis, right? Because it's his job. If you're a girl, you will say मैं गड्डी चलानी है. Now it's चलानी है because you're a girl. In last two sentences, we are focusing on the main subject, right? But on the first sentence, when you were about to go out, when you said I wanna drive a car, that time we were focusing on the car. We were not focusing on guy or girl. All right. So that's the difference. For a guy, there are two sentences are the same. One is different for girl. All three sentences are same. It's same line, used in different situations, and it has different meanings. All right. And another thing, this is not the only way to talk. Like this sentence is not the only way to talk in such a situation. People can use different sentences. If I'm gonna give the example, like if you're going out and you're about to sit in the car, like if you wanna drive a car, you can say few ways. Like even in English, you can say, "Hey, I want to drive," or you can say, "I'll drive," right? It doesn't matter in real life. Yeah, even the meanings are little kind of different, but not that different, right? Same in Punjabi, you can say मैं कार चलानी है, or you can say मैं कार चलाऊंगा. If you're a guy, you can, if you're a girl, you say मैं कार चलाऊंगी. All right. So that's the one thing. And in present tense, like and somebody asks you, "Hey, what you doing?" and you're driving a car, that time you can say मैं कार चलानी है. If you're a girl, मैं कार चलानी है, मैं कार चलाई जानी है. All right. मैं कार चलाउन रही है, मैं कार चला रही है. All right. That's how you can say. For a guy, मैं कार चलाना, मैं कार चलाई जानागा, मैं कार चलाउन दियांगा, मैं कार चला रहागा. Right. That's how you can say. And if you been asked you about your occupation, hey, what do you do for work? Then you could say, like if you're a guy, you can say मैं कार चलाना हुन्नागा, right? Now you can say मैं कार चलाना गा, मैं कार चलाना, whatever, right? You can say it different ways. If you're a girl, you can say मैं कार चलानी है or मैं कार चलानी हुन्नी है, right? There's also other ways to make the sentence, all right? But my point is the one sentence which means मैं कार चलानी है is going to be achieved by girl. This is the one sentence, the same line. It could be used for three different situations and it could have three different meanings. All right. So keep in mind next time when you're listening to somebody, one line could have different meaning in different situation. So try to guess the meaning according to the situation. This is a very important skill to learn. You must gotta learn it. If I give you another example, like if you asked me, hey, where are you? I said like a man crazy. Now I put C at the end from the textbook, like it is in the past, but it's not in the past in real life. We said a lot, right? Man crazy. It means I'm at home right now. So you can guess like from your even from your question you asked me like tum kithe hai, right? Like you asked me now like tum kithe hai, which means hey, where are you, right? Or you can say hon tum kithe hai, hey, where are you right now? If I said main kare si, even you can see I put the c at the end is kind of past as grammatically, but it didn't mean I'm seeing in the past. I said it like I'm at home right now. All right. So colloquial Punjabi, the real life Punjabi, is a lot different than textbook. All right. So at the end, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. So I'll be back with another lesson in another day.